Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. Today we're going to be learning a simple song by Zuta, and the title of the song is Yesu. We're going to be playing the song in the key of C. Alright. I would like to thank those who have subscribed to my channel over the past month. God bless you for subscribing. Continue to share the links, recommend it to your friends, and then keep on commenting, drop in songs of choice so that we can keep on doing songs for you. All right, so let's start with the introduction of the song. Yesu woso, Alright, so essentially this is what I played. This is a chord 1. It's a suspended chord like this. So I'm just playing. So this is my sus 2 chord. Alright. So Yesu woso to my chord 5. This is my 5th chord. Then I played. Alright, so this is my 3rd chord in a key of C. So this is the chord actually. Sorry, this is my triad. And then I added the 7 notes. Okay. Sorry, I added the 2 to it. This is the 2. Alright, so like this. So you see me play. But at the end of the day, if you want to understand it, just anywhere, any key that you're playing in, when you play your 5th chord and then you add the 3 to it, you get the chord I'm talking about, and then you move to chord 4. So Yesu woso, Alright, so the 7th note, I suspended it on the 4th. Then Yesu, this is the 2nd stanza. Yesu woso, my chord 5. The woso, chord 4. Then woso, now okro. So woso, chord 4. Then you do a 3, 2, then 2 over 5. Sorry, 2 over 5 over 5 over 4 over the 2. Now Alright, so this is how I played the 2. Don't be confused because of my left hand. So these are 4th chord, which is a added 9th. Then this is the 3 I showed you, and then this is how I played the 2. Alright, so this is the chord. Okay, so these are normal 2. So extension. Okay, now when I'm playing this, it becomes a minor 7th like this. Okay, so learn it. So you can play your 2 chord 2 like this, or you can remove the extension and then play like this. So now so that's the Yesu woso. Then let's move to the 2nd part. To me yewode, that's chord 1. Nyansa yewode, chord 1. Ahode yewode, chord 5, then Sumge Yawode, oh, to me Yawode, and answer Yawode, Akne Yawode, Asumge Yawode. Then the last part, oh, oh, that's chord 1, oh, chord 5, oh, we are moving to chord 4, oh, oh, back to chord 1, oh. Then he continues on the 5th. Oh, 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 oh. You stay on chord 5 again. Oh, then they respond. Oh, 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 oh. All right, so let me sing everything. Yesu woso, woso, na wokron. Yesu woso, 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 na wokron. Oh, Yahweh, Yahweh, woso, 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 na wokron. To me Yawode, Nyansa Yawode, Ahode Yawode, Enyonyam Yawode, Asumge Yawode. All right. Okay. So basically, that's the whole progression of the song. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.